What's up, winners? Welcome back to another video at Stay Winning Podcast. Today, I'm going over this, which is the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card from Bank of America. Stay tuned. So I wanted to come on here and tell you guys about my experience with this credit card. In case you're thinking about getting it and you were wondering if someone out there has it, yeah, I have this credit card. The application process was very, very simple. It probably took like 2.5 minutes and maybe another minute just to review to make sure that my information was true and accurate. But I want to say thank you to Bank of America. This video is not sponsored, but out of all the big banks out there, which is Wells Fargo, Citi, B of A, JP Morgan Chase, only Bank of America offers a secured business credit card. So for all new businesses, all small businesses, or people that don't have the best credit to be a PG on business credit products, this could be a great option for you because this is a secured credit card. So the name is the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card. So if you're considering it, hopefully this gives you a little more peace of mind or more awareness of options that are out there for you. And now you know someone personally that does have this card and can go ahead and speak on behalf of it. So the good thing is that the credit card looks like this and it doesn't have the name secured on it. In case you were concerned about that, it looks just like the regular version, except of course it is a secured card. So it doesn't have the word secured anywhere on the card, in case that was something you were concerned about. The cashback is unlimited, pretty much anytime, anywhere, up to 1.5% cashback. So that is a perk that I would say is pretty good on the credit card. As I mentioned, it is a secured credit card, so a $1,000 minimum deposit is required. But the good thing is that you don't need a Bank of America personal or a Bank of America business checking account to go ahead and make this happen. You can provide your deposit from anyone or any of your other checking accounts that you may have at any other financial institutions. As I mentioned, the application process is very easy. It only took me about 2.5 minutes, and it's very easy to go ahead and redeem your rewards. Pretty much the application is just like a one-tap button. So that's another cool thing. And again, there is no annual fee if I haven't mentioned that, which is a good perk. So you don't have to worry about that. This credit card does report to the Small Business Financial Exchange. So it is helping you build your business credit. And I think it's a great option to go ahead and do so because building business credit is just going to give you more purchasing power down the line for you to reinvest in your business or in other things and build buying power. One of the other perks that I think really stands out is the travel and emergency services or the travel benefits. So it does come with the $100,000 travel accident insurance. And this also covers rental car insurance. So if you're traveling on business, you want to place it on this card. One, because it's an expense to your business traveling, but two, you can decline the insurance option from the car rental place, right? So save money there. And this credit card covers you for that in case anything was to happen to the vehicle while you're renting it during that business trip. So that's a really cool perk. Just let me go up here again. There is no introductory APR rate. The standard rate is 26.49%. I'm confirming that's what I have, looking at my statements. And again, there is no annual fee and a 4% balance transfer, which is pretty competitive to what is out there, right? But there is no promotion as far as like, oh, if you do it now, it'll be 0%, or your first 1,000 will be 0%. So, that's probably the negative of it, but it is a secured credit card. And again, I just want to say thanks to Bank of America for offering that option. There are many big banks out there that don't go ahead and provide this. And then some smaller fintech companies do, but they're not necessarily available in all states, right? So I'm in California. Some of those other options are not available to me. Other credit card videos I've seen are very outdated. For example, Divvy no longer has a business credit builder program. So I wanted to come here, make this video just very simple, letting you know that this is an option there for you. Doesn't matter what state you're in, and doesn't matter what your personal credit score is. As long as you can provide the security deposit, this could be a great option for you to start building business credit. So again, just a quick recap. the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Reward Secure Credit Card. Winners, thank you for the support you've been showing me on here. I really hope you find this information helpful. Please hit the